The Paris Paralympics 2024 wrapped up with a dazzling closing ceremony at the Stade de France, featuring a dynamic performance by 24 French electronic music artists and a set from the pioneer Jean-Michel Jarre, despite heavy rain. The event, attended by 4,400 athletes from 168 delegations, was hailed by International Paralympic Committee President Andrew Parsons as setting new standards for future games. Paris Mayor Anne Hidalgo handed the Paralympic flag to IPC President Parsons, who then passed it to Los Angeles Mayor Karen Bass, marking the city's preparation to host the 2028 Paralympic Summer Games. India achieved a record performance with 29 medals, its best ever at the Games.
Individual recurve open archery, so until